So on takedown, we're going to go ahead and unhook down here at the bottom. And what I usually do is I just start coming down here and I just start pulling them off there. And what I'll do is I'll start wrapping them up here too, so that way I don't have to do it later. A lot of times you can get these to pull off without grabbing the pole. You don't even have to use the pole to take these down. So you can just sit there and you just kind of, sometimes you get out further and helps you a little bit more. Again, you're just going to keep walking around this tree. There will be a point, sometimes you will have to get the pole out, but a lot of times you can pull on these bad boys and get them to come off here. This one might make me a liar. So what I do at that point, if it's going to make me a liar, it's going to just bring your pole back up here. Just pull our pole out and get them up here above where we are, where it needs to be at. And we're just going to keep walking them out here. Make sure we're not watching that electric line over there. We know. Feel like an electric line. And then we just pull them out of the tree like so. Pull them out of the tree, and that's how we take them down. Obviously, we're going to keep wrapping them here, so then that way next year when we come back, we can test real easy, and we can test them real easy and not have any problems of doing them. Again, you can make a nice ball, so that way they are ready to rock and roll for next year. And plug them, and then find the two, male and female, back together. And there you go. You can see how easy that was to take down this tree.